And for this final video talking about map projections and coordinates and datums and geographic systems, we're gonna talk about map projections. And a map projection is essentially a way of transforming coordinates from a three-dimensional surface to a flat two-dimensional map. So what you're looking at here in this, I think, is a pretty cool image, as taken from a website called kidsgeo.com, but I'm not proud, is a planar map projection. So essentially the Earth, the sphere, right, we can see that it was zoomed up into this planar flat surface, and then you can see what happened to make that happen. And what happened was we had some distortion, right? There's a cost to going from 3 dimensions to 2 dimensions. There's a cost, and that cost is distortion in one way or another. Every single map projection has distortion of some kind. And we'll talk about the different ways you can distort data. This is just a series of, just to give you guys a handle on some of the different map projections that are out there. This is a sort of a smart aleck comic strip from the web that I just pulled out, but we can see the Mercator, the Robinson, the Dymaxion, right? There's all these different map projections that we can come up with, different ways of going from a globe, a three-dimensional object, the Earth, into two-dimensional space, right? If you like Mercator, this is person tongue-in-cheek, you're not really into maps, right? The good Homolocine, the plate carre, right? There's all these different ones, okay? And again, the comments associated with these ones that the comic strip author put in, I'm not necessarily condoning, but I thought it was a nice way of just showing you guys a number of different, you know, this Waterman butterfly map projection, right? That's pretty cool. The Gull Peters, the author does not think that that's very good map projection, so if you like that, maybe you're not the person for that, that comic. Cartographers will group map projections by the preserved property that they hold on to. And maybe they preserve angles, but at the expense of shape, right? Or maybe they preserve area at the expense of angles, and so on. Okay, and so one of the exercise that I want you guys to work on, the exercise number 1, which will also include a map critique, is to submit a Word document that explains the differences between these different terms and provides one good map projection example. And I want you to describe it. So you can, you know, for each of these guys, equal area, I want you to choose some kind of a map projection that is an equal area map projection. Include some kind of a figure from a website you choose. It might be this one, and I'll send you some possible links you could use. And just to sort of read up and work through these different things associated with map projections. Okay? And so that's the end of this series of videos, which will be posted immediately, and then exercise 1 as well. Good luck.